Alright, yo, we are headed back to Arkansas from Florida. So we're just driving all day long, not a whole lot of vlog footage. But I wanted to talk real quick about consistency. Here's why. Consistency is everything, and it goes far beyond just being motivated. I'm putting out a daily video right now, which takes some discipline. Like there's no way that this is convenient. Like it made no sense to do a video every single day while doing this wedding, which is probably why these aren't super well thought out and planned, but it is what it is. But I got it out nonetheless. The same is true with your nutrition and your training and everything else in life. And I don't want this to be like a rant video, because I did a rant video like 2 days ago, so I don't want to get too repetitive with these. But consistency is key, and you hear that, it's cliche. Usually cliche things are there for a reason, but building up a habit goes far beyond being motivated. Like sometimes I'm not motivated to put out a video, sometimes I'm not motivated to go train, sometimes I'm not motivated to hit my macros, but that consistent application of pressure is what causes the fat loss, the muscle growth, the recomposition. The consistent content's what causes the growth in the channel, the business endeavors. Consistency is everything in life. So chip away at whatever your given task is, bit by bit, every single day, and don't falter from that. Like once you say no to doing something, it becomes much easier to say no a second time, and that holds true with everything else in life. So chip away at it in some form or fashion. When I first started Keto Savage, I wasn't doing the daily videos. I didn't know how to do a video. I didn't have any clients. I was just trying to figure out some way to move the needle. I was working 4 jobs at the time. I would post on Instagram every single day. I'd make some kind of post on Instagram, even if it was just a quote, but I would chip away at it every single day, and that is key. A bunch of cars driving up here, it's kind of noisy. But that's all I want to say about that. Real quick little update, we're going to be launching the bricks. Today is Sunday, so this video is going to go live on Monday. So we're going to be launching the bricks Monday morning. So if you're seeing this video, the bricks are about to launch on Monday morning. Monday morning, y'all. We started driving and my Wi-Fi started sucking, so decided I'd jump out and take a quick clip with this super pretty sunset. Check this out. We're in Louisiana right now, but look at that. No trespassing sign. Just beautiful. Anyways, the brick update, they're dropping on Monday morning. Remember, it's hot right now. This is like the hottest from now until like end of August is like the hottest little part of the year, especially since I'm located in Arkansas. So again, all the prior videos about the keto blob being a possibility, those still hold effect. We're working on minimizing that now, but you still have the potential of getting a keto blob instead of a keto brick if it's way above 100 degrees, or like above 100 degrees, consistently sitting in like a USPS truck for hours, which hopefully it doesn't happen. But there is that, so be cautious of that. I promise it tastes great and everything still, despite the lack in beauty of the brick. Now, that's also pretty much all I had to say today. Pretty quick little vlog, nothing really crazy. Brick update, consistency, that's the main take-home points. Congrats to Ryan and Devaney for the wedding. Now we're about to get back home. We got KetoCon coming up next. I gotta write the speech for KetoCon. We're gonna make another batch of bricks for KetoCon, and then we're gonna drive to Austin for that. And then, what's Crystal doing over there? Oh, fish just jumped out of the water. Yeah, so that's what we got coming up in the near future. I got some other exciting things that I'm not going to disclose just yet. But once we get back into a normal routine, the vlogs will be a little bit more normal. These have all just been like really sporadic, really crazy, not a whole lot of value. But I want to do like an updated bod pod or in-body. I'm going to get my DEXA while I'm in Austin. So kind of some more compositional stuff to apply value there for DSK. But yeah, so that's what we got coming up. We'll talk soon. Hopefully tomorrow's vlog will be a little bit more formatted. But catch y'all later.